This is Convert Lease Option to Wraparound Video Tutorial Power Automate Update MailMerge Template Folders Specific. My name is Jeffrey Smith. This Power Automate script is very similar to Update MailMerge Template Folder Specific. The main difference is that you place into the system clipboard a folder path that has one or more property analysis subfolders. The specific MailMerge templates are processed for each property analysis CLOTWA folder. Copy the folder path into the system clipboard. Then specify the CLOTWA MailMerge templates that will add or update in each of the CLOTWA subfolders. Hold the Control key when selecting multiple templates. Microsoft Word is run to process each MailMerge template. The document file name for saving is determined. Then the file name for the MailMerge data source is determined and loaded. Adobe Acrobat is run to load the generated PDF file and then change a few properties. The process is repeated for each specified MailMerge template for each CLOTWA property analysis folder. I won't bore you with the automated processing of all of the templates in all of the folders. This has been Convert Lease Option to Wraparound video tutorial, Power Automate, Update MailMerge Template, Folders Specific. My name is Jeffrey Smith, and thank you for your support.